Hi, this is Luke Arthod with PCT Agcloud, and this video will show how to use the Snapshot tool. The Snapshot tool provides basic viewing capabilities to users set to a grower role. To select dealers, growers, farms, and fields within Snapshot, click the PCT Agcloud logo in the upper left-hand corner. This will display the farm and season pane. In it, you can select the desired fields and the seasons that you would like to view. You also have the option to turn on labels. To display layers, click the Layers button and select the desired layer. You may also access the RX tool from here if available for the layer. When a layer is selected, a legend will appear in the upper right-hand corner. The horizontal bar in the bottom right contains map tools. These allow you to zoom to the selected fields, zoom in or zoom out, and it also gives you access to the measurement and layer inspect tools. The measurement tool allows you to draw a polygon and view info on the area and perimeter of the polygon. The layer inspect tool also operates by allowing you to draw a polygon. It will then show info on the layer data contained within the polygon. Multiple polygons can be drawn at once, and you can switch between them by clicking within their boundaries. Snapshot also allows you to view imagery. Here you can turn on Sentinel 10-meter imagery. Sentinel 3-meter imagery is also available for specific users. Lastly, within Snapshot, you can view crop growth charts. To do so, select a date range and a crop, and load the chart or table. The crop growth chart utilizes imagery to visualize crop growth and harvestability.